I had a lot of sinus infections in the past. The pain would be throughout my face, in my teeth, my head, my forehead. It was pretty severe.
I've had a history of chronic sinus infections, years and years. I've been treated numerous doctors, University of Iowa. And when I talk of chronic sinus, I was running 3 and 4 sinus infections a year, treated with antibiotics.
I have chronic sinusitis, so the infection is just, it was overwhelming, and I just felt miserable. I was exhausted, I was tired.
About 2 years ago, I had the actual sinus surgery where I was put under and I was operated on. That was effective to a point, but I did have breakthrough sinus infections for about a year after that. That's when I decided to speak to Dr. Giesler about more options, what was available, and she decided to let me know about the balloon procedure. They inserted some instruments into my nose, and they were able to see inside my sinuses and take small balloons and just kind of expand those to open up my sinuses a little more and flush them out. So it was really, really beneficial for me.
Dr. Giesler was able to numb me up, go in, take a look, also did a culture at that time, and was able to irrigate and also use the balloon to open things up. Instant relief. Everything started draining at that point.
There was no pain. There was very minor discomfort, but that was, again, less than dental procedures I'd had. Since then, I take no sinus medications over the counter, no antihistamines, no decongestants, an occasional use of a sinus rinse. And that's a big change for me because I was taking large amounts of decongestants.
It's worth it. It's a fraction of your time. It's a fraction of the cost of surgery. So it's well worth it. You just feel better. You know, she'll treat you with antibiotics if need be. And Dr. Giesler is just, she's wonderful. And she'll explain everything throughout the process. And you just, it's good to be healthy.
I am the mother of 3 young boys, and so I feel like I need to be healthy for them, and I need to be able to keep up with them. And I was not before, and this procedure has afforded me that opportunity. I would tell anyone who's having sinus problems or sinus infections, especially on a chronic basis like I was, to talk to your doctor, get a referral, come talk to Dr. Giesler Medical Associates, and have her explain to you what the procedure itself can do for you. It has been virtually life-changing for me. I am 100% better than I was before.